Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello ladies and gentlemen, Merry Christmas, ho ho ho, crypto discounts are here. So today we're looking at a bit of crypto, aren't we? We're looking at Aave, rank 59, $214, we're trading out of a market cap of 2.8 billion. And it's been a bit messy, hasn't it, really, for Aave over the last, well, since forever. It's always been a messy one, and it's not an easy one to place TA, any sort of technical analysis. It gets nullified and invalidated very quickly by these big market corrections. But, you know, Mark Cuban, a big investor, is very bullish on this, and he has a reason to be, and he says that banks should be pretty scared. And what I see right now is for Aave, I mean, if we just quickly go back to the weekly time frame, I am just seeing another June 2021 all over again. And we can see this even more apparently if we just hop into this daily time frame. You can see we're oversold, almost oversold there before. But the volume is coming up now, which looks really good. And effectively what happened here, we had a bit of a cup shape, just like we've got now. And we ended up going to the previous swing high, which was effectively in this case back at £180. So what I'm thinking is, you know, this was of course a really, really strong accumulation range where we had to hold this line, because if we didn't, we'd be falling all the way back to like sub $100 most likely, sub £100 too. And you can see we were in that rising channel, we fell out of that, we had a symmetrical triangle, and we fell out once again, shorting, retested it, but we didn't get anything. But finally, I mean, it's been a long time coming. It's been, how long has it been? It's been 38 days since we were even above the 20-day moving average on Aave on the daily time frame. So we've seen that volume, and this is effectively now, hopefully, the beginning of an uptrend. And if we do complete this pattern, break out from this kind of cup and handle, you know, I do believe that Aave will come back up to £191 quite soon, which will be a 23% pump from this particular level. Now, if we hop into the 4-hour time frame, again, we're still above that 20-day moving average. We've got a nice bit of volume. We are a little bit overbought on the RSI, so I do expect that we come back down to maybe 155, retest a support before we move up once again, hopefully to around the £190 price level, where we're going to see a big bit of resistance. But, you know, really, really keen to see what Aave does within the next alt season. If we kind of take a look at the previous high and get our Fibonacci extension over, we can see that we have got pretty much, you know, where we're just talking about the £173, $200 range is going to prove as a lot of resistance, which is there. And then the next level of resistance is going to be here, followed by £201, followed by £225, and the golden fib level will take us back into where we were, this rising triangle over at 247. So this is a real big kind of crypto lull. But if you believe in this project, it is now still potentially a good time to accumulate that crypto, because you can see before, you know, the same thing happened when we got the big wipeout, the big correction. We were underneath the 20-day moving average, and as soon as we came back through and got above it, we saw that impulse followed by this. So how do we know that we're not going to get something similar once again, just looking at the data, and then take off again? You know, sure, it could take till February, sure, it could take through to January, maybe it will take till March, but as long as we put through another higher low, we're still looking good in the bull run, and Aave will still remain pretty strong. So that's what I'm kind of waiting for right now, just to sort of see what happens. I've bought myself a very little bit of Aave, and I will continue to hold it, and I will not sell it. And this is just a project I simply believe in. Hopping into that 30-minute time frame, again, this just iterates the accumulation range that we have here between 124 and 155 pounds, and we can see got lots and lots of volume over here too. The RSI is now almost pretty much, you know, fully extended, but this was a key time to buy over here at 126. In fact, every time on the 30-minute time frame when we're oversold, it always proved to be a good time to buy, even on the hour. So I mean, look at this. Great time to buy, good 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 time to buy. So Aave is one where really when it sells, a lot of people are buying it, and due to the low total supply, there is a big shock on the price. And I really think that Aave is going to really have some massive prices in the future. So just hold on to it. Don't get scared right now. Don't get scared because I don't know. I think Aave's got big potential, but I'd like to see us get back to my little rectangle here, the sort of median price of Aave. This is the median price of Aave. So right now we are undervalued, in my opinion. And if we can get back here above, we'll be looking very good and nice and bullish again. So if you like the video, do subscribe, join the Discord channel. As you can see, we just talk about different projects and things like that. You can find that in the description. It would be great to see you there, and see you in the next video. Bye.